Morning everybody, we're back at Lake Winnipeg. We got Peric and Sam out of the ditch. How are you feeling after last night?
I could use a great back massage, so anybody wants to hit me up in Winnipeg. Oh, how are those knots?
Heavy, knotted.
But we're out and we are gonna catch a big greenback today. Stay tuned.
We're rigged up, going out. Sun is somewhat risen already, but that's okay. It's the last day of the trip, hoping to end it with a bang. Hopefully that bang isn't Alex going through the ice or getting stuck again. Nice shot now. Today Alex is the guide, so we'll see how this goes. I feel like he was drilling all the holes after hitting the ditch yesterday. All right, we just made an ice live well. What is an ice live well, you may ask? Basically, it's a trough. It's a live well on ice. As soon as it's cold, I mean, no matter what, if you're fishing outside and you want to take pictures of the fish, an ice live well is a great option. As soon as you catch that fish, you throw it into this. Well, basically what we did is we drilled 5 holes in a row, didn't pop them all the way through, went halfway down, and then filled it with water. Drilled 1 hole beside it, filled it up with water. Now when we catch a big fish, as soon as we catch it, bring it right to the well, get the camera ready. Camera should be ready anyways. Pull the camera out, take your pictures, put them back in the well, make sure the pictures are good or up to your standards, and release it. Otherwise, the fish is flopping on the ice, freezing, and it's just no good for anybody.
Yeah, I have a question. What kind of standards are you talking?
Well, our standards are different, Alex.
Really?
We're fishing maybe marked 1. I just started 13 feet of water. I got a rattle bait on there using some blade baits. It's go time. Boys are getting antsy. Marked a couple, didn't catch any. We're gonna keep moving every 15 to 20 minutes until we get on them. Antsy would be a good word to describe Peric. Antsy and irresponsible. Guys, I wish you could have seen that, but Peric just rolled the snowmobile, being a complete idiot. We're not gonna go help him. No. At least not for like 20 minutes. We're gonna fish first. I'm all about helping my friends, but he needs to pay for it a little bit. After hitting the ditch yesterday and now rolling a sled, I don't know, I can't even show it on the camera, it's so far away. He decided to cross the ice ridge, which was not necessary. Okay, I'm gonna go help Peric. What a guy.
I didn't die making it across the heap.
Why am I not surprised? You're such an idiot. I was like, we're gonna make him wait for half an hour just to teach him a lesson.
Could die.
People go across open water, that's not that crazy. Guys, first off, use safety. Check the spot, drill a hole. We're gonna go help Alex flip his sled. Good? Watch yourself. You so almost got hit.
Let's see. Any damage?
You're unbelievable.
Wow.
I honestly don't know how you make it through the day.
No damages. Wow.
Wow.
It's pretty easy to move this. Oh, there's a mark. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hold, that's huge. Oh! It's not big. That was a big mark. I can't imagine what a big fish would look like. He chowed it.
Thanks.
Gone.
Switch up to the rattle bait, I think.
They like these. Oh, look at that. Just gone. That would be lunch. Right there. Going back though. Here's what I'm using. This rod's a 38 heavy Gussie rod. Jeff Gustafson had some input on making this. 10-pound braid. What? I didn't mention the brand. I'd have said Jeff Gustafson because I like him. Is that okay?
That's okay.
Yeah. Repla, whatever, ripping wrap. 10-pound, no, this is 12-pound fluoro. And we're fishing in 13 feet of water. That fish came in so aggressive. That's the thing, Lake Winnipeg, you're just fishing this big featureless basin. And the fish are just cruising and feeding. Like, there's nobody anywhere close to us. We are alone. There are crowds, but it's very easy to stay away from them, if that is what you so desire.
It's already getting cold.
Peric is currently in the shack, warming up his cold feet. Sam is sliding on the ice. Now I'm still jigging a rattle bait. We've moved half a dozen times now, maybe more. Trying shallower. Action was picking up, now it's dropped off in this location. Tough to tell if it's time of day or the spot. We're gonna keep moving. I'm probably gonna keep going shallower. We're in 12 feet right now. The biggest thing is just keep moving on the lake. You'll hear it from everybody, but just stay mobile and make, you know, a couple 100-yard moves at a time. And once you get on fish, you can make smaller moves in that area. But for now, we're making big moves and nobody around, so we'll keep going. Maybe that's a bad sign, but it seems like you can get away from the crowds and still do well. What are you thinking, Alex?
It's Lake Winnipeg.
At its finest.
Ripping baits. See, these are the days that Aaron Weave doesn't show you. He only shows you when you're catching fish.
That might be true.
It's not that easy, folks at home. Another day on Lake Winnipeg. Can I say that it's been a great day? I jinxed myself. I said I love this lake. Is it a great day? No. Was it a fun day? It's always a fun day when you're with Jay Siemens.
How was flipping the snowmobile?
Yeah.
You've had back-to-back...
we don't have any proof of that.
No, we got footage of me helping you flip your snowmobile over.
Oh, we do have that. Well,
we got the entertainment. We do have the entertainment factor.
We do have
of the video today.
Other than the fish catching abilities, but I tried to jump an ice heave out there. Went over. It was open water.
We should talk about that a little bit more. You got to be so careful crossing ice ridges. Even if there's tracks over it, drill a hole in the middle, check it. Yes, you can drive over it with a snowmobile if you go fast. You can also go over open water with a snowmobile if you go fast.
Well, if you stood on that, you would have went through. So that was not a good.
No, not a good choice.
You got to get the spud bar out.
Be careful. You got to check that. What else we got? We're still gonna catch a fish. Okay. 3 tips for someone that wants to make YouTube videos. Go.
Post as much as you possibly can.
Does quality matter?
Quality, honestly, does not matter. It doesn't.
Yeah.
You have to just post.
Because something will hit eventually.
Yeah.
It's tough for me as a photographer, videographer to sometimes do that, and that's why I'm putting this vlog out, because we still got some good content. Yeah.
And people want to keep up with what you're doing. But I mean, there's also the way if you just want to be an artist and post whatever you want.
Yeah.
But, I mean, it depends what your goals are. There's a lot of goals on YouTube. There's a lot of goals in life.
This is getting deep.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to make a living at it, if you want to do it for fun, if you want to raise a family off it. I mean, there's so many things that go into advice on YouTube, but
how's the family coming along?
I just threw that in there because I was thinking like but yeah, so 3 tips. That was my first tip, post a lot. Second tip, master your equipment before you start upgrading. I think that was one of the problems I had in the beginning. I was just buying cameras, I didn't know how to use them, and now I finally think I know how to turn a camera on at least, so that's good. And tip number 3 is have fun. You are posting videos of what you like to do, so if you're not having fun, then what's the point of it? That's 3 tips.
That was a good one. I really liked that last one. We're gonna fish a little longer. This might be the end of the video. If so, thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to APBASSIN because he is absolutely hilarious and a pretty good fisherman. Make sure you're following Sam on Instagram. And yeah, I don't know, comment below what you want to see in the next video. Thanks for watching.